A trip to the tranquil Crocodile Bridge rest camp on the banks of the Crocodile River in the Kruger National Park is a great option for anyone wanting to spot Africa's big five animals. The small rest camp has a mere 20 traditional thatch-roofed rondavels, that is, round-walled huts, arranged in a neat, backward-facing L shape, so most have a perimeter view. There also are some permanent tents and a nice camping area with trees, electricity, laundry, communal kitchen, and ablutions. There is no restaurant but 2 curio shops and a coffee shop, as well as a small nursery which sells indigenous plants like aloes. One of the shops also has basic groceries, and the nearby town of Komatipoort has a grocery store, and local street vendors also sell fresh fruit and vegetables. It is possible to do a self-drive safari from the camp or enjoy guided bush walks with a ranger, as well as guided game drives at sunset, in the evening or morning. There are many lovely shady trees in the camp and great bird watching in the camp and surrounding bushveld. The huts along the river have 3 beds each, a bathroom with shower ensuite, and a kitchen and dining table on the patio outside. The huts are quite rustic but well maintained, with fresh bed linen and towels. There also are some 2-bed huts available. Each hut is also equipped with its own barbecue area. The kitchen has a fridge, 2-plate stove, sink, and all the necessary cutlery, crockery, and pots and pans. To reach the camp from outside, you have to cross a low bridge over the Crocodile River, which is quite exciting as you stare right into the eyes of leguans, Nile monitors, Nile crocodiles, and hippos. Many day visitors also enjoy coming into the park at this entrance. The grounds of the camp are quiet and shady with green grass and abundant bird life, plus you might spy polecats, honey badgers, banded mongoose, warthogs, vervet monkeys, and bushbuck in the camp. It is thus advisable to store all food indoors and not in the pantry outside. It is so nice to sit on a chair outside your hut and watch the wildlife coming down to the river to quench their thirst, see the birds, and witness the mongooses moving together through the camp. The landscape around Crocodile Bridge can be best described as classic African savanna, and it is populated by varied game including wildebeest, impalas, elephants, giraffe, kudus, jackal, lion, and hyenas. It is really pleasant to take a game drive, and I can see why it is so popular with day visitors. The camp is located in an area known as the Southern Circle, which is famous for its abundant game and prides of lion. If you grow weary of self-catering, you can also easily drive to Loasabi for breakfast or Skakuza for lunch. You can also get a bite to eat from Debonair's Pizza or the Wimpy at Komatipoort.